Securing containerized applications in multi-tenant Kubernetes environments is incredibly complex, especially when you're dealing with unwanted access and lateral movement threats. The challenge becomes exponentially harder when these applications span hybrid multi-cloud infrastructure. You need absolute consistency in network security policies, whether you're on-premises, in the cloud, or at the edge. I'm Kapil Anandani, your Tech Bytes host for today, and in this video, we will see how Nutanix Kubernetes Platform, NKP, delivers consistent Kubernetes network policy management that follows your application wherever they run. Projects are NKP constructs that enable soft multi-tenancy for different teams and applications. They create a namespace as a service for all the clusters that are part of it. NKP dynamically enforces the same network security policy to every cluster hosting that workload. Let's create a simple network policy for this application. I will select all the pods for this demo, but you also get an option to filter and choose pods based on labels and expressions. Next, let's protect our application with ingress rules. Ingress or inbound here means that on these specific ports, the application will be accessible. For now, I need SSH and web ports to be open. This ensures that any other connection will be blocked. On the egress section, we want our application to go out and get software and code updates. So let's just allow web access here. Once done, let's save it, and that's how easy it is. You can also create or edit network policies on Kubernetes dashboard of a cluster. Opening network policies section of one of my clusters, I can see the rule that I created, and let's say I forgot to add the DNS port on the egress rule. And I can simply add and update the network policy here. And that's how simple it is to create network policies in NKP. Nutanix provides comprehensive security that adapts to your infrastructure needs. NKP also ships with built-in CNI options including Cilium and Calico for identity awareness and high-performance advanced networking policies for your containerized workloads, which eliminates complexity while delivering enterprise-grade protection. Ready to secure your hybrid cloud infrastructure? Explore NKP through Nutanix Test Drive or dive deeper with Nutanix University resources.